Taria.
Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I am going to give Fendi Fendi full edit presets, so make sure to watch till the end. Now let's see the preview. Today, no like target, guys. Just drop the like if you love the edit, and make sure to join Telegram channel because presets will drop there. See you in the next one.
The pain I felt is